does a user make changes to the data when there is an error in individual data entry, or you want to delete the data you entered for a specific sample? In your project dashboard, click on the data collection period where changes have to be made. So if it's a baseline, click Baseline. Go to the Data Collection tab and click Data History. If the project involves multiple sites, choose the site that needs data correction. Check the dates to ensure that the history of data entry where the correction is required appears on the screen. Hovering over the right side shows three icons. Clicking the arrow down allows you to see not only the criteria, but also the sample identifier or the sample code. Although the sample code or identifier is optional during data entry, it is good practice to put in an identifier so you can easily track the error. Hovering over the right, you will see the pencil and icon bins. Clicking the icon bin will delete all data entries for this individual sample. Clicking the pencil icon allows you to change your answer for this particular sample. And once you've made the changes, click Save.